Hello guys, this is the Claret and Blue Train Spotter here. Welcome back to another video. This time at Solihull on the Chiltern Mainline, where we should see plenty of services from Chiltern Railways, Cross Country, West Midlands Railway, and hopefully a bit of freight as well. And I am expecting one freight train, depending how long I spend here. We could get more. Chiltern Railways 168, 322 and 165, whatever it wants to be, brought me in from Birmingham Moor Street. They were working a service from Birmingham Snow Hill to London Marylebone, and absolutely nothing has happened since other than them departing. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what shall arrive, depart and pass by here at Solihull. Okay, now getting ready to depart will be 165009 with the 1234 Chiltern Railway service from Leamington Spa to Birmingham Moor Street. Okay, now approaching will be the 1239 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Street to Dorridge. Two-tone there from the driver. One 172-339 leads them in. On the rear is 172-212. Okay, he's now off. I do apologise for the wind, I can't do nothing about it. The wind, for me, is actually quite welcome, because it is a tad hot today, and I think I'm red enough from yesterday at Peterborough. Okay, now coming in is the 1241 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Birmingham Snow Hill. He was meant to be going to Worcester Street, but for some unknown reason, according to the woman on the tannoy, he's just been cut off at Birmingham Snow Hill. I have no idea why. I can't quite see the numbers from here, so I'll have to get them when he departs. Right, he's now off. So it's been led by 172-222. Got a ladybird on me. On the rear is 172-218. Okay, now approaching will be a Freightliner class something, working 4 Mike 55 from Southampton NCT to Lickey Street. I'm not too sure what it is yet, I can't exactly hear it. My money's going to be on a 66, if it's a 70 then... It's a 70! Hip hip hooray! $70,007. that 70 sounded and looked gorgeous. I think I still prefer them when they're coming up here at full speed though. Like when they're just absolutely screaming towards you. I think that's the best time to have a 70. Or if it is coming at you slowly, it needs to be opening up. But you know, that was still beautiful nonetheless. Okay, now approaching will be the 12:55 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Moor Street from London Marylebone. I believe I can already hear it. It being 68012. Oh yeah. Coming in here is 168107 with the 12:54 Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Where's the 68 then? Huh? There we go. Go away, Phil. Go away, Wasp. Go away, everything. Do not ruin this. I swear to God, do not ruin this. Right. What's happened to this thing then? Because I cannot hear a thing from this. I can smell diesel off it. Oh, here we go. No? Well, you've got the service to London departing. Here we go. That's more like it. Sounding as gorgeous as ever. And he's off now. Doors are shut. Get the guard back into the 82. That sounds and smells gorgeous. We've got 82, 302 on the rear. Sounded absolutely beautiful, that did. Okay, now approaching will be 220.001 for cross country, working 1 Echo 40 from Reading to York. Smacked in the leg by the wind off that. Jesus. Okay, now approaching with the 1309 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Foregate Streets to Strathmore-Avon. 172221 leads him in. On the rear is 172213. Okay, now approaching will be 172212 and 339 on the return, well I assume it is anyway. Working the 1311 West Midlands Railway service from Dorridge to Birmingham Snow Hill. Again, it should have been going all the way to Worcester Foregate Street, but for some unknown reason that they're just terminating at Birmingham Snow Hill. That's according to the woman on the tannoy anyway. She could quite easily be making it up, but yeah. Okay, I think he's off now. All right. I do apologise for the shaky camera work there. There was a wasp trying to fly through me instead of flying around me. It's not that difficult. Believe it or not, I'm not actually that fat, so you could just quite easily fly around me. You've got plenty of space on the platform. You don't have to fly onto the track. Simple as. Here's 165009 on his return, working the 1324 Chiltern Railway service to Leamington Spa from Birmingham Moor Street. Someone just came over the tannoy about 5 minutes ago and said that there's a broken down train somewhere, which is causing disruption. And well, I think I know which one it is. I think it's currently sat at Dorridge. It's 168219. He would have been working the 1323 service to Birmingham Snow Hill from London Marylebone, like from here. I think it's him that's broken down, and obviously yeah, must be at Dorridge. That's what I think it is. I'm purely going off what I can see on tracks here. It's giving me signs. I mean, it's sat at a red light there. I mean, what more evidence do you need? Okay, I think now about to round the bend will be 2:20.018 for cross country, passing through about 15 minutes late, working 1 Victor 87 from Newcastle to Reading. I think pretty much everything now is just, I don't know what's going on with the timetable now in the train. It's absolutely frightened the bleeding life of me. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I think pretty much everything has just gone absolute bang right now on the Chiltern Mainline. Like, I've looked on Tracksy. It was meant to have the 1339 service from Worcester Foregate Street to Dorridge coming in. I think that got cancelled at Birmingham Moor Street because of a train fault, which means the return journey's obviously been cancelled. 168219 is still stuck at Dorridge. God knows how long that's going to be there for. I think there's like, and then look some real-time trains. Like the 68 is that we've seen is still stuck outside Birmingham Moor Street at a red light. I think there's something stuck at Tyseley. There's something stuck at Solihull. I mean, being stuck at Solihull, I mean, I feel sorry for people. Yeah, I think there is something stuck on platform 2 at Birmingham Moor Street. Yeah, literally everything is just, the timetable's just gone absolute bang all of a sudden. I haven't got a clue how I'm going to get home. I'm not going to get the next train because I am expecting a freight train to come through. I might try my luck on a bus. Yeah, that should be fun. Okay, now coming in, running about 15 minutes late, will be the 13:41 West Midlands Railway service from Strathmore to Worcester Shrub Hill. I think I'm going to film this. I'm going to film the freight train that I think's behind him, and then I'll probably have to leave it there and try my luck on a bus, or if another train does come in going to Birmingham, then I'll obviously jump on that as well. Ideally I get a train because I actually paid to get on the train. I didn't pay to get on the bus. Okay, I think he's off. I think I heard the guard shouting that he's only going to go as far as Acock's Green. I'll assume that along with the broken down trains and that, the signals must have gone down. 172004 here. Right, mate. By the way, that freight train I mentioned, I don't even know if he's going to be able to come through because obviously he'll be stuck on red lights and all. It won't make any difference, everything's stuck at red lights. It's not actually like it's going to hold anything up because everything's held up anyway. Okay, I think now about to pass by will be our final train in the video. It'll be a DB Cargo UK Class 66 working 4 Mike 71 from Sultan West Docks berth 109 to Birch Coppice Exchange sidings. He's passing through about 15 minutes late, if I haven't said that already. Six 136. Right, with a flat wheel on the rear of him as he continues onwards towards Birch Coppice. Yeah, I am going to conclude this video there, guys. Do you know what? While it lasted up until the timetable decided to go bang, I was enjoying myself here. Really, it's not that bad a station. It's probably one I might not rush back here. I mean, like I say, it's an okay station, you get okay traffic, but you get the same traffic at Dorridge, which I think is a more pleasant station. Yeah, I mean, this station, you know, it's okay. I think Dorridge is better because you get the better views there. Yeah. I mean, unfortunately, the timetable decided to go bonkers. Unfortunately, everything's decided to be cancelled now. So yeah, I need to find a way of getting home. But if you haven't been to Solihull before, then I suppose I would recommend it. Maybe an hour is just about enough to catch pretty much everything. Like I say, I'm happy enough with what I've got today. I've got pretty much everything I wanted to see. You know, I've got a 68, got a 70, obviously got that 66 at the end, which isn't bad at all. We've got a fire engine. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, my next station will hopefully be Bromsgrove on the Lickey Line, where we should see plenty of services from cross country, West Midlands Railway, and hopefully a good bit of freight as well. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I do appreciate all the views. If you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like, share with your friends and subscribe. Leave a comment and go and follow me on Twitter. There's a link in the description to that. And until Bromsgrove, from me, the Chiltern Railways train spotter, here at Solihull, I shall catch you all later, guys. Cheerio.